Hi, we are Team O1, and we're really excited to share with you our creation called Nara. So, what is Nara? Nara is a Chrome extension that gives users a bright and happy beginning to their day. It's an intervention against doom scrolling and a motivator to get out of bed and start on the day. Gen Z has coined a new term for this called bedrotting, and our extension is an antidote for bedrotting. So, how does a Chrome extension accomplish all of this? Well, around 20% of adults struggle with a form of mental illness, and 11% of Americans are diagnosed with ADHD starting at a young age. And they're the ones most susceptible to being stuck at home, neglecting to take care of themselves, let alone their work or school obligations. However, the issue that we want to target is not productivity with projects or assignments. Instead, we want to focus on small, actionable, simple tasks that improve user wellness, spark joy, and make everyone feel good.
Let's go to the core features of our application. The first thing you will see is a beautifully designed landing page. This page is organized into 6 focus categories, including self-care, home, tasks, etc. And these categories help users easily navigate and find tasks relevant to their needs. To keep things simple, each category restricts the list of tasks to 5 items, and also by automatically generating the list for their users based on a category, we remove the roadblocks for getting started on the day. For example, under myself category, you might see some existing tasks like drink water or take a walk. To encourage user engagement, we also implement a reward system. Users can earn rewards upon completing tasks, which adds fun and motivating elements to the experience. Then we will talk about the technology we use in our project. The front end of our app is built using the standard web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These technologies ensure our application is both visually appealing and highly functional. Also, we utilize the Chrome extension API to extend the functionality of our application. This allows us to create a seamless experience for users who prefer to access it directly from their browser. The combination of these technologies ensure that our application is both robust and user-friendly.
And now I'll move on to a demo of our project. So it is a new tab override. So whenever you open a new tab for the first time in the day, you will see this beautiful landing page that says, who do you want to care for today? And when you hover around these little deers, you'll see that there's a pop-up showing a category. And each deer corresponds to this category of who you want to take care for today. For example, if I click on the home, it will bring me to the page where this little deer you selected is standing right here, and you'll have on the left-hand side a panel of today's task. These are tasks that we generated that we feel are most suitable for this category. And as you can see, these tasks are editable, so you can edit them anytime as you see fit. You can also delete one if you just don't feel like it, and you're also free to add a new task right here. For example, I'm going to add a placeholder here. And just so you can see it works. We can also have sortability so that you can drag all these items wherever you want. And most importantly, obviously, you can check a task after you finish it. And when you hit a checkbox, you'll notice that, first of all, the task is strike through. And you'll notice that there's a little cookie that's next to the little deer, and which is really cute. For example, if I check a task that's here, it's going to automatically pop up to the top, and you'll notice another little cracker cookie thing here. And most importantly, there is data persistence with this. That means when you close it and you reopen it, you'll always see the same page, and you'll always be able to keep on top of the things that you want to do today. And just in case that you selected the wrong category or for some reason you wanted to kind of start over, there's a reset button for you. And when you click on it, it'll pop up with a warning message to which we can say yes or no. If you click yes, all of the tasks are going to be erased and you're going to be brought back to this beautiful landing page again. And now I want to introduce to you a little secret hidden place right here. When you hover here, you'll see something else. And when you click on it, it's going to bring you to a place where there are 5 empty slots for customizable tasks. We chose 5 so that you can focus on the tasks instead of like having too long of a list to do. And I'm going to fill in some placeholders as right here just for demonstration. And you'll see that when you check one, it's gonna bring up a little deer. And the more you check, the more deers appear. And when you get to finish the final page, final task, you check it, and it's gonna bring you to this final ending page that thanks you for taking good care of him. And we hope that this gives you a feeling of accomplishment. And obviously, you can revisit this page anytime you want. And that ends our little demo here. And we'll go back to the slideshow.
Now I want to talk about the challenge and future solution we plan to implement to solve those challenges. First, limited task categories. We plan to expand task categories to include essentials like household and work-related staff. This will ensure the categories are more inclusive and relevant for users. The second one being lack of task recommendation. In the future, we plan to fully integrate chatbot API like ChatGPT API that suggests tasks based on user preferences and past activity. This will make sure user get personalized task suggestion. Third, limited user engagement. We plan to incorporate interactive features like gamifications, for example, badges, and social sharing. The fourth one being no cross-device syncing. We plan to implement cloud-based multi-device syncing to allow seamless access to tasks across multiple devices. And it is also worth mentioning that we plan to commercialize Nara. So we might release a lot of paid subscription services that allows users to unlock more beautiful Nara themes in the future.
Thank you so much for watching our presentation, and we hope you enjoy Nara.